If you're looking for a new and innovative approach that combines the power of ChatGPT, YouTube videos, and the Amazon affiliate marketing program, you are in luck. We will guide you to a revolutionary method that will change the way you think about earning money on Amazon forever. In this video, we'll be revealing a brand new way to make money on Amazon using the ChatGPT AI technology, YouTube videos, and the Amazon affiliate marketing program. Sounds exciting, right? Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about ChatGPT. It's an advanced artificial intelligence developed by openai that can generate human-like text responses. With ChatGPT, you can create engaging and interactive content, and we're going to leverage this technology to skyrocket our Amazon earnings. Now that we have ChatGPT on our side, it's time to create captivating YouTube videos. We'll be diving into popular Amazon product reviews, unboxings, and tutorials that leave viewers eager to click on our affiliate links. Remember, engaging content is key to driving traffic and boosting conversions. The first step in creating a successful YouTube channel is choosing a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and audience demand. Start by brainstorming topics that you're passionate about. It could be anything from technology and fashion to fitness and cooking. Research the popularity and competition of each niche to find the sweet spot that offers opportunities for growth. To maximize your chances of success, it's important to analyze the competition and stay on top of the latest trends within your niche. Study the most popular YouTube channels and videos in your chosen niche. Look for patterns, themes, and topics that consistently perform well. Stay updated with industry news and trends to ensure that your content remains fresh, engaging, and relevant to your audience. Now, here's where ChatGPT comes in handy. Utilize the power of ChatGPT to generate engaging scripts for your YouTube videos. You can ask ChatGPT for ideas, input, or suggestions to make your content even more compelling and interactive. ChatGPT can help you craft enticing introductions, captivating hooks, and persuasive calls to action, enhancing the overall quality of your videos. Once we've created our YouTube channel and at least a video is uploaded, it's time to take advantage of the Amazon affiliate marketing program. By signing up as an affiliate, we can earn a commission on every sale made through our referral links. And the best part? We don't need to handle inventory or customer service. Amazon takes care of everything while we focus on creating fantastic content. To get started, go to the Amazon Associates website and click on the Join Now for Free button. Fill out the application form with accurate and detailed information. Make sure to provide your website or YouTube channel details, as Amazon will review your application based on the quality and relevance of your content. To increase your chances of approval, it's important to have a qualified platform. Ensure that your YouTube channel meets Amazon's requirements. This includes having original and informative content, a user-friendly design, and compliance with all applicable laws and regulations. Focus on creating a platform that offers value to your audience. Now here's where ChatGPT comes into play again. We can use it to generate persuasive product descriptions, call-to-action statements, and even personalized recommendations for our viewers. By integrating ChatGPT's compelling text generation with our YouTube videos, we're increasing the chances of viewers clicking on our affiliate links and making purchases. It's a win-win situation. Now that you're an Amazon affiliate and have incorporated affiliate links into your YouTube videos, let's explore how you can effectively earn money through these links. By strategically leveraging your affiliate links, you can generate commissions from the sales made by your viewers. One of the primary ways to earn money with affiliate links is by placing them in video descriptions. Whenever you mention or review a product in your video, include the corresponding affiliate link in the description box below. Be sure to provide clear and concise calls to action, encouraging viewers to click on the links and make a purchase. Remember to disclose your affiliate relationship transparently. Another effective method is to use in-video promotions. Utilize YouTube's features such as pop-up cards and annotations to display affiliate links directly in your videos. You can create eye-catching overlays that appear at specific timestamps or during relevant moments in the video. By strategically incorporating affiliate links into your YouTube videos, you can generate a steady stream of income. Remember to strike a balance between promoting products and providing valuable content. Transparency, authenticity, and trust are key to building a loyal audience that relies on your recommendations. And there you have it. Are you ready to take your Amazon earnings to new heights? Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Hit that subscribe button like this video, and let's get started on our path to Amazon success. See you guys in the next one.